Hey guys, alright, so people wanted to see this truck. I've already shown it, but I'm going to do it again, I guess, because that's what you want. This is a 1968 Chevrolet C20. It had, 60,000 miles on it when I bought it, and I've had it for years now. I bought it from a farmer. When he told me what he wanted for it, I couldn't get the money out of my pocket fast enough. I paid $1,000 for this thing, and it hadn't been running, I don't know, 10 years. It's got a 327, 4-speed, 3/4 ton, and cab lights. It now has 110,000 on it, so I drove it quite a bit. It's really not in that bad a shape. There's rockers, cab corners are good. I'm gonna put new exhaust on it. And do a few other things. I was gonna paint it, but no, I like it this way. It'll never be that way again if I paint it, so it's got a couple bruises on it. This is really only the rust, only rust it's really got on it from the battery, Not much for options, but I don't care. Also, so if anyone wants to send me, let me see here, there's stickers, I'll put them on this window. We got Rusty Ranches, stuff with Cletus, Morsky Repair, Greasy Boy Customs, Straight Six Band, Left for Dead. We got the United States Marine Corps on there. We all know that guy right there. And this guy. And there's Greasy Boy again. So, if you want to send them, I'll stick them on there. I suppose I should start this thing. Let's see. Got a little dents, from the door wind hitting the door, but I'll leave that too. I don't care. I like it just the way it is. So I appreciate all you guys watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Help me out a little bit. And you guys have a good day. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.